So I wake up this morning and I get emails talking about somebody's calling me out. It's 5 a.m. right now. I'm gonna finish before 5 o'clock p.m. and I'm gonna edit the video. All right, so let's figure out what shoes we're gonna use to whoop that behind. Oh, the Pumas look good. Oh, somebody done messed up. Woo! You done messed up. You done messed up. Yo, a shopper called me out and said, I challenge you, VAR. I challenge you. Oh my goodness, it's free lunch right now. It's free lunch, baby. It's 6 a.m. We just took a $32 batch. I woke up just for you. Yo, don't ever say my name, bruh. Don't ever say Tat VAR is scared. Tat VAR is scared. Yo, hold on. And after I whoop your behind, everybody make sure y'all watch this video to the very end. Because after I whoop y'all behind, I'm going to show you how much this person doesn't even know what they talking about. I'm going to show y'all. So make sure you watch this video. Watch this video to the end. Check this out. This order sucks. $32 double 13 miles. But if I got to get it in, I'm going to show y'all how to get it in. Let's get it. Let's get it. My man.
Yeah, how are you?
It's my brother right here.
59?
Nah, I didn't get the 59. I got a 30 triple.
Hey, 59 one, just 59.
I didn't see it. I didn't see it. Yo, check this out. We just got a 30 triple, 48 items, 8 miles, right? Because we gonna keep running it up. I didn't see that 59. I wish I would have seen it. Let's get it though. Team, run it up. Hey yo, wait. How she do it? How she do it? How she do it? Done. Just got back to the store and we swiped a $22. 48 items. 48 items, yo. Crazy. $22, 48 items, 5 miles. They don't want to show VAR nothing today, but look, I'm gonna show you how. Look, it don't matter. No excuses. I'm still gonna run it up. No excuses. Hey, let's get it. Team, run it up. Let's do it. All right, so we at Costco right now. We just swiped 37, 20 items, 6 miles, double. So this is not a banger, but it's not as bad as all my batches I've gotten thus far. So we still running it up. We gonna do what we gotta do. And check this out. I had other uploads planned for y'all. Listen, everybody leave me alone. After this, after I spank that booty. What's up, brother? Hey, Instacart, thank you. Hey, you see how I got it, KK? All I gotta say is Instacart. They don't even bother me in Costco. I'm the man. All right, fam, just got a 27, but I had to cancel one of the orders, so this might take a while. All right, fam, so I'm back at the crib right now, taking a quick lunch, and my plumber's coming. For those of y'all that don't know, see, there's a lot of smack talking online right now, but as y'all can see, I'm renovating my house. There's a lot going on to why I'm not posting, but yo, let's go back out and run it up. Wait, Aaron, I want you to say that again. What'd you say about today?
It's really bad, bro.
It's really, I told you, I know. So look, I'm not making no excuses, but even my boy, it's really bad today. I've been running it up. I haven't done a batch over $40 yet. And we at 160 by 12 p.m., right? 12:04 and we at 160. So it's not a good day, but we gonna run it up. And the plumber's coming at 4:30. So I got stuff to do, but we still gonna run it up. No excuses. Let's get it. Team, run it up. You just no excuses. Let's get it. How much are you at for the day, by the way?
Bro, with this one, 102.
102?
If I'm not wrong, yeah, if I'm not wrong, 102.
All right, bro. We'll keep running it up. Good luck. We just got a 49. Best batch all day, but not really because it's a triple and it's 15 miles. So it's not a banger at all. But we don't want to stop working. We want to keep that momentum. We ain't trying to sit around at all. Yeah, I'm about to just do this 49 triple 15 miles. Let's get it. Yeah, we doing this for the culture today, baby. You know what I'm saying? Another triple. But hey, I'm banging these orders out. I just hope I don't get pulled over because I'm speeding. Yo, you got me speeding, yo, straight up. But yo, we gonna bang this out. Shopping's easy, let's get it. And here we are. And here we are. Actually, that's the way to get back to the store right there. You see that road? Traffic on traffic, but watch this. We're gonna hit more traffic. Look. And now we hit the traffic game. Yo, Just got another 49. Let's get it. Yo, check this out. So that last order, I know, right? Yo, I told them don't play with me, right?
They told y'all.
Hey, yo, hey, she playing.
And y'all didn't want to listen.
Yeah, this one, easy. You know what I'm saying? We loaded up. Real easy. Shopping not that bad. I never say anybody's name. People always say my name first. It's crazy.
Y'all can go look back at any video.
Go look at any video. Look, I never put out any hate on anybody ever. And my name is always getting brought up on other people's platforms, on other people's pages. Like, I'm out here just having fun. We doing me like we doing us.
Y'all can go back on any video.
Hey, just to put everything in perspective, I seen the video last night. I woke up this morning, went out and said, all right, let's get it. Ran it up, made 310 around 4:30, something like that. And I'm about to edit my video right now. It's still sunlight out. I'm about to edit my video and drop it tonight, all within 24 hours. Don't play with me. All right, so we back at the crib, and I think we did about what? 310 and some change around 4:30. Slight day. Look, honestly, I could keep working right now. I'd make over $400 today. I would make over $400 today. And honestly, if y'all want to see me do another $400 a day, it's nothing. I'll do it. Cause I can hit these numbers whenever I want. And I'm not trying to say I'm the GOAT. Y'all are calling me that. Stop calling me that. I'm not trying to say I'm the GOAT, yo. I'm just having fun. You know, I'm spreading out that energy, that love, you know what I mean? And that's another thing. There's no hate here. It's all love, man. I got called out. It's all fun and games. But I had to clear the air because there's a lot going on. People saying they don't know what they're talking about. Like one thing, saying that, oh, you got it like that because you win money from the course. Nah, I've been absent because my mother passed away, for y'all information. But we ain't gonna talk about that on the channel. Me and my family, we cried together. You know, we still going through it. I got an angel on my chest. But see, before you open up your mouth, figure out what you're really talking about. You know what I'm saying? Because that's why I've been gone, right? So, and then let's touch up on the course thing. I haven't sold any courses since last year. I took look at all the videos. I took the link off for the private strategies. By the way, it's not even a course, private strategies. Me and my boys came up with ideas that we felt was helping us make more money faster with Instacart. And for me to put it all together, I had to step away from Instacart, step away from YouTube, make no money while I was putting it all together. So I wanted to be compensated for my time. What's wrong with that? We entrepreneurs. Why are you hating? I gave everybody the auto swipe. I even gave my location, which that alone, I should have charged $1,000 for that. I had 4 people move here and they taking batches from us now. I had countless amounts of people visiting, dap me up. Y'all know who you are. I didn't film it all the time that time. You know, those were the times I was going through things and nobody even knew. Because when I put out stuff, I swear Instacart bought my private strategies. They figured it out and then they just switched the whole Instacart platform. So I had to come back and re-strategize. Right? So like things like even getting accounts reactivated. You're wrong when you say you need to talk to the 4th tier person. You're wrong about that, to be honest. Because if you get your account deactivated, there's just certain steps you have to take to get it reactivated or get your account back good and being able to work again. And you can't get your account, listen to me right now, everybody. You cannot get your account back, at least I don't know how right now, if your account is deactivated due to a background check. All right. So like if you got deactivated because of your car, something with the car or some criminal record or something like that. Yeah, you can't get your account back. Right. If it's something like that, you know, because you probably shouldn't even have had an account in the first place. They just getting a little bit more strict. So if it has something to do with your background check, you can't get an account back. If it's other stuff like cancellations, or you took a picture the wrong way, or you took somebody else's picture, and or you even got like misconduct, right? They say misconduct in the store. I don't care if you was fighting in the store, all that. Like it just has to do with background check. If you have a bad background check, like a criminal history, or something's wrong with your driver's license, then you can't get an account back. I helped like 6 people get their accounts back. 6 people who got deactivated are working right now. I'm not boasting about that right here. I'm only talking about it because people talking about me and they don't know what they're talking about. But anyways, It's all love, though. It really is. It really is all love. I got different plans for this channel. Y'all might see me pull out in a helicopter or something. Yo, Tapvar is crazy. I'm telling you. Y'all don't know what. I just want to have fun, right? So this was fun. But everybody else, leave me alone. Stop saying my name. I'm chilling. I'm going to put out some content. I'm going to help everybody. It's going to be peace and love. Be sure to subscribe to my new YouTube channel. Tapvar did it, because we're going to do crazy stuff on there and all my socials. You know, it's been fun spanking that butt. You know what I'm saying? I did it in less than 24 hours. Your turn.